Hello, I'm Natalie Quiltessa. I'm bag maker and bag designer. And here's one of my bags. Is ultimate carry-all bag, which you can carry on the roller cart like this. It's a great bag for taking it to retreats, classes, traveling. And here's another bag. I'll show you when you open it. You can see ironing pad right here. Lots of small and larger pockets. There's a large pocket, zippered pocket, another large pocket. Here is elastic for tools and markers and pens right here. Also, there are some additional vinyl bags for the small items like needles and patterns and threads and just small notions. They're coming here. And right here you can see inside more mesh pockets. Right here, that's the pocket for the sleeve, right here. And here is the front pocket with zipper. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this bag from scratch, and I'm gonna use this fabric, beautiful fabric by Philip Jacobs, K Facet Collective. It's a Free Spirit collection, Japanese chrysanthemum. I like these huge designs, and as you see, they look very beautiful on my bags on the front. So you can see so many beautiful flowers on this fabric, and I'm trying to cut one of them for the front pocket. You need to decide which one you like more, and let's begin.